For a few days now, we've been eating only rice. So today we decided to cook something different from the ones that we've been eating earlier. And today we'll be cooking this delicious indomie. This is not my normal method of cooking indomie. So today I decided to take this my indomie cooking to the next level. So the first thing I did was in my boiling water, I added my indomie and I'll be cooking 6 packets. And after allowing it to cook for a few minutes, now it's time for me to sieve it out. I placed my chopping board, my bowl and my sieve, then I went ahead and sieve it. So I will pour this indomie back into my pot, add water, turn it very well, like I will rewash it so that all the starch will go away through the water. Okay, so this is me adding more water and I am sieving it out for the second time. So in my pot I added my vegetable oil, allowed it to get hot very well. I went in with my fresh tomatoes and the onion. So I just fry it. I don't want to over fry this tomatoes and the onions. I fry it a little, then I went in with my indomie seasonings. I added my seasonings, turn it and allow it to cook for a few seconds. Then I went in with my indomie. So this is time for me to give it a nice stir, like turn everything well so that it will mix together and incorporate. So at this point, I am feeling so very hungry. I wanted to scoop out some and eat, but I said, okay, let me just hold my throat. Then I covered and allowed the food to steam. And now it is very, very hot. It is time for me to dish out the one that I'll be eating. Though before that, I tested for my salt and I noticed that the taste of my food was giving 100 over 100 minus nothing. I covered and I quickly take it off the heat and here I am dishing out the one that I'll be eating. I'm the type of person that I don't like eating my indomie like that. Before I will eat noodles in my house, I will either pair it with porridge beans, bread, or any other thing, any other food available. Okay. But you see this particular one that I prepared now, I will be eating this just like that because this food tastes so good. Like the taste is super, super delicious. So after dishing out this one that I'll be eating, I'll bring my camera closer to my plate to show you guys what I have in there. And this is it. So now rate my work from 1 to 100. Hope I tried. Tell me if you'll be trying out this method of cooking noodles. Guys, this, I will assure you that this is the best method that you will use and cook your noodles. Then you will enjoy it to the fullest. So thank you all for watching. See you all in our next video. Bye.